Imagine this, a compact beast that can conquer mountains, zip through city streets, and turn heads everywhere it goes. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, dreams just got real. The 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero Mini is here, and it's about to change the game for small off-road vehicles forever. But here's the kicker. Is this the ultimate off-roader we've all been waiting for, or just another hype machine? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to trade in your ride for this pocket-sized powerhouse. Wait, did I just say pocket-sized? Yeah, I did. But don't let its size fool you. This thing's got more guts than a horror movie marathon. Let's dive in. First things first, this isn't just another car launch. This is the moment off-road enthusiasts have been begging for. For years, we've been stuck choosing between bulky SUVs that guzzle gas or compact cars that can't handle a puddle, let alone a mountain trail. But Mitsubishi heard our cries and said, "Hold my torque." Introducing the 2025 Pajero Mini, a small off-roader that packs a punch. With its rugged design, aggressive stance, and that iconic Pajero badge, this thing screams adventure. But here's the question. Can it live up to the legacy of its big brother, the legendary Pajero? Or is it just riding on the family name? Don't answer that yet. Let's talk about what's under the hood, because spoiler alert, it's not just a pretty face. All right, let's get technical. The 2025 Pajero Mini comes with a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine that delivers 150 horsepower. Now, I know what you're thinking. 150 horses? That's cute. But here's the thing. This isn't a drag racer. It's a trail conqueror. And with Mitsubishi's legendary Super Select four-wheel drive system, this little guy can tackle any terrain you throw at it. Sand, snow, or straight-up chaos. Plus, it's got a ground clearance that'll make your average SUV blush. And let's not forget the lightweight design, because when you're off-roading, every pound counts. But wait, there's more. Did I mention it's also fuel efficient? Yeah, you can finally have your cake and eat it too. But before you start drafting that take my money email, let's talk about the interior, because this is where things get really interesting. Step inside the 2025 Pajero Mini and you'll forget you're in a compact car. The cabin is a masterclass in smart design, premium materials, intuitive controls, and tech that'll make you feel like you're piloting a spaceship. We're talking a 10-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, and a sound system that'll make your playlist sound like a live concert. And for all you adventurers out there, the seats fold flat to give you enough room for your gear, your dog, and maybe even your questionable life choices. But here's the real kicker. The Pajero Mini is loaded with safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera. Because let's face it, off-roading is fun, but getting stuck in a ditch, not so much. Now you're probably wondering, is this the perfect off-road vehicle? Well, that depends. Are you ready to take the leap and embrace the ultimate adventure machine? Or will you let this opportunity pass you by? So there you have it, the 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero Mini, a small off-roader with big ambitions, built for those who refuse to settle for ordinary. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring uncharted trails, this vehicle is ready to take you there in style. But don't just take my word for it. Drop a comment below and let me know. Would you take the Pajero Mini on your next adventure? And if you're craving more automotive excitement, check out my next video on the 2025 BMW X8, the most attractive full-size premium SUV of the year. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Hit that end screen, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep chasing the horizon.